You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of God, as well as how to say more biblical names as well that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. There is a debate on how this is to be pronounced. YehoVah, YehoVah is generally what is said, although some argue that it is to be pronounced Yahweh, Yahweh, or YehoVah. There are very excellent videos explaining why there is a debate, linking to them right here. But YehoVah or Yahweh, and more videos for you on my channel to learn more about biblical names, pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.